Hi, I'm Dilnethu. Today I'm talking about how to make a professional intro for free using Renderforest. First, open your browser and search Renderforest. Now go to the first website and sign into this website. It's for free. Then you have to select a template. You can play your template here. Now click Create Now. Then customize your intro. All correct. Now click Preview button and click Fast Preview button. It's loading. Now you can watch your intro here. If this have a watermark, don't worry, I will show you how to remove that watermark. Now follow my steps to download this video with watermark. Now you want to get a new tab and type like me. Then open first website. Now follow my steps again to remove that video watermark. Select your intro here. Now select the watermark. Click Erase button. Now all are finished. Click Download button. It is downloaded, then you have to enjoy it yourselves. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.